a 10 cavity mold, okay, 2 on each side. 3 ounces each, and they're about 5 inches this way and maybe 2 inches across. What I love about this is they're frozen and just run a little bit of hot water. You just pull it and it just wiggles out. You know, there's no cracking, and this isn't gonna crack because it's silicone. With everything, like this kit is just so great. So it comes with like a little, you know, a little scrub brush so you can get in here, get it cleaned out. It comes with like 50 popsicle sticks. It also comes with the little bags, and they have these little like pull tabs right here so that you can seal afterwards. I mean, it's such a great gift, like for graduation or just Mother's Day, I mean, it's a great product. But here's the only caveat that I would say. When this is really, really full and you try to set it in the freezer, unless you just have the bottom of your freezer open, it's gonna kind of maybe be a little wiggly because there's liquid in here. Put this product down below. But I just have this, which I actually purchased to go in my air fryer. But what I do is, then I put it on here. When I'm filling it, it's sitting on here, and then, so you just, it also comes with this little funnel. So you just fill with whatever get back over here, with whatever you're putting in here, all right? And then once you're done, we're pretending. You're gonna put this little thing on, and then you just slide these in. Boop, like that. Put it in the freezer for 6 to 10 hours. Have popsicles. This is such a great kit, and plus the kids love doing it, and that's what's so fun about it. But I definitely would say to use it with this, because this just makes it easy. I can pop it into any part of the freezer and not worry about it kind of toppling over. I actually bought this for a friend of mine, and I didn't realize that she was lactose intolerant, so she doesn't eat ice cream, but makes her dog treats in here, and apparently the dog just like absolutely loves them. If you have animals who like sweet frozen treats, this is great for them. If you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.